Beverly Beach State Park, right off the coast of Oregon, and we're getting a late start because the kids wanted to do their junior ranger, and the sweet old lady let them pick stamps for each thing that they did, and so it took like 12 hours. But
it was like
15 minutes versus 2 minutes. But it's okay. We got our junior ranger things stamped, and then they ran out of badges, and so we didn't even get badges. We got a patch. So this park was $31 a night for electric and water, and apparently, yes, go to sleep. Good night. And then Ross just found out that it was the walk-up available sites are only until the end of May, so it might just be through the winter season. Again, we just snuck in there apparently.
And I have a feeling that's probably every state park.
Yeah. So I think we're not 100%, but I think we're gonna head to Washington. Everybody wants a new state, and we're tired of paying $31 a night. It's a little too much. What?
I like Oregon, but I'm excited to go see Washington.
Yeah, we're excited for all those Washington fans. Here we come. So we'll see where we end up. If we end up in Washington,